Hey guys, so today we started pretty early. Yes, Cole, I know. So we're gonna head to the park and then we're gonna come back and then we have some cleaning to do. And then we're gonna take them riding after we're done cleaning with us. But basically what we're trying to do is like clean up the house a little bit from the new year, get all of Cole's hair up and empty one of our closets and put some of our extra stuff in it. Oh my god. Okay. Anyway, we'll see you at the park. So we are headed to the car wash. Trying to like get Sandy and Cole to experience a bunch of things just so that they're not shocked when we go buy things. And like a car wash is like kind of good, I think, because there's a lot of noise, and the one we're going to is like really flashy with lights and stuff.
So I think it's gonna be a really good experience for them. So you get to see what their reaction is like. Sorry. I think we took them here once, but I don't really remember. I'm pretty sure we did. But we're almost there, so check out the back cam once we start. Okay, see you there. Okay guys, so today the doggos got to go to the park twice. Cole got really muddy and so did Sandy on her back a little. So they're gonna have to bathe today. And yeah, so we also went to the car wash. It was kind of interesting. They kind of got a little bit afraid of it, but it's a good experience for them overall. But we're headed home and they're gonna take a bath and then we're gonna call it a night. All right, see you guys later.